How to convert and transfer your crypto wallet funds to your Forex account. If you are not already in this page after logging into your crypto back office, you can access the page from your crypto dashboard by selecting the Transfer or Withdraw option in the side menu, or click the Transfer or Withdraw card in your dashboard. Here you will be able to see your total purchases, total withdrawn or spent, Forex transfer balance, and percentage. You will also have transaction options like Forex transfer or crypto withdraw. In this tutorial we will be selecting the Forex transfer option. After selecting the said option, verify the transfer details, and then press Convert. The converted amount will then be shown in the total field. Once you've verified the transfer details, click the Transfer to Forex button. You have now successfully transferred your crypto balance to your Forex account. To verify the conversion and transfer, head to your Forex back office by clicking the Forex card in your dashboard. Here in the Forex back office dashboard, you will have the ability to verify the transferred amount in the crypto wallet balance section. Please also notice that there is an option to change the language in the back office located at the top navigation area.